Hi everyone, in this video what we will learn is how to draw a roof by extrusion. Earlier when we drew this roof, we used roof by footprint. In this video we'll see how to draw a roof using roof by extrusion. So let's assume that we have this recessed or sunken coat here, and let's say we want a different type of roof over here. So let's say I want a roof that is a slanted roof. So we can do that. So let's go to roof and say roof by extrusion. Click on it and it's going to ask you to pick a plane. So what we'll be doing is we'll be actually drawing the path that the roof will follow. So if I draw a tilted line, a slanted line, a single line, whatever roof that I will select will follow that line. If I draw a curvilinear line, whatever roof that I will select under type selector will follow that path and will create that cross section of the roof. So before we draw that line, we need to pick a plane and tell the program that this is the plane on which I want to draw that path. So select this option of pick a plane, click OK, and we want to pick a plane which is this exterior wall. So when the exterior wall highlights, click on it and it's going to tell you which level do you want to put it. So let's put it at second floor level. Click OK, and now we can actually draw that path. So to do that, let's go to the perpendicular view, out and go to perpendicular view here. And we know that that's the edge. So let's draw a line. Now in most cases, you will have some reference to choose from. So you can always use pick line. But now let's just go with a random roof shape. So let's say I want this path. So I want the basic roof that I'm selecting here of 12 inches to follow this line over the sunken coat. Okay. So when I do that, I click OK. And what it did, it actually created a roof on that line. So right now, when I created this extrusion, the extrusion end, if you can see here, was negative 25 feet. So let's make it positive 25 feet. Click apply, and then it will come over the sunken coat. So depending on what the dimension is, you can create this extrusion. So let's click on it and let's reduce it. The extrusion, instead of 25 feet, let's make it 18 feet. Click apply. So you can create any shape that you want using this roof by extrusion command. Let's try another shape. So let's go to roof. Let's create roof by extrusion. Let's pick a plane. Click OK. And let's pick a plane over here. So let's draw on this. Let's draw at the roof level and click OK. Let's go to this. Click on modify. Let's go to the perpendicular view. Let's say I want to create a bizarre roof here, a curvilinear. So I click on spline. What I'm doing is I'm creating a path. Okay, so I'm creating a path of the roof that I want to draw. So this path will be followed by this 12 inches thick roof. So once I'm done, I hit enter. So this is the path that it will be following. The type of roof is 12 inches basic roof. I can select any other roof. So if I want to select generic 18 inches or this steel truss, whatever, I can use that. So click on it and now it has created a roof following that path. Or you can make the extrusion, the depth or the end of the extrusion negative or positive depending on your requirements. So let's go back to the 3D view. As you can see here, it has created a roof in the shape of that path that we created. Let's click on it. Let's make it positive. And let's make it 10 feet. As you can see here, it has created a roof. So this is how you can create roof by extrusion. Thanks for watching.